Ever thought about starting your own trucking business in sunny Florida? Well, you're in luck. Starting a trucking company can be an exciting adventure, especially in a state that's all about big skies, open roads, and plenty of business opportunities. Let's break down how you can get this rolling smoothly. First things first, planning is key. It's like setting the GPS before a long road trip. You wouldn't want to head out without knowing where you're going, right? Start by figuring out what kind of trucking business you want. Are you hauling oranges, electronics, or maybe construction materials? Florida's got a ton of cargo needs, so pick something that suits your interest and the market. Next up, let's chat about licenses and permits. Now, this part might sound a bit tricky, but it's super important. You'll need a commercial driver's license, also known as a CDL. If you don't have one yet, it's time to hit the books and get practicing. Then there's the paperwork. There are federal and state permits to think about. These are the keys to your new trucking venture, opening doors to legal operation. Instead of pulling your hair out trying to sort this all out, consider reaching out to professionals like Moving Authority. We can take this load off your shoulders and guide you through the process. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Starting a trucking company needs some investment. You'll need to think about buying or leasing trucks, maintenance, fuel, and insurance. Don't let numbers intimidate you, though. There are ways to find financing, like loans or bringing on investors. Budgeting smartly is your best bet to keep your business thriving. Insurance is another biggie. It's like wearing a helmet while riding a bike. You wouldn't want to hit the road without it. Make sure you're covered for accidents, damage, or any unexpected hiccups. Trust me, peace of mind is worth every penny. Florida also has unique environmental and seasonal factors that can impact trucking operations, from hurricane season to heavy tourism traffic. Being prepared for weather disruptions and peak travel times can make a huge difference in keeping your routes efficient and your business running smoothly. Once you've got the groundwork laid out, it's time to start thinking about finding customers. You might want to join some local business networks or attend trade shows. Building relationships is key. And hey, in Florida, business is booming, so there's plenty of work to go around. Remember, starting a trucking company isn't just about driving trucks. It's about strategy, patience, and a whole lot of passion. So keep your eyes on the road, stay determined, and enjoy the ride. And if you ever find yourself needing some help, don't forget that Moving Authority is here to help steer you in the right direction. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're dreaming of starting your own trucking company in Florida, give us a shout. Until next time, happy trucking.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.